Hello and welcome to Soul Tarot by Nehal. This is going to be a love reading for the period of February 2025 for the zodiac sign Sagittarius. Please remember this is a general reading and it may or may not resonate with you. If it resonates, let me know in the comments down below. If not, skip this one. If you feel any of your loved ones could benefit from this reading, kindly share the channel with them as well. If you wish to stay connected with me on any other social media platforms, all the links are down in the description below. Kindly do check them out. So thank you so much and let's begin. So we will be first checking intuitively what are the cards saying, what are the messages coming for you, and if there is something that you can do to attract the love that you're looking for. So let's just see what comes. But yes, we will even look for solutions if that is what is coming or if that is what we see. So let's see what are the readings for you. So, yes, there could have been someone in the past that you may have thought to be a potential partner, and that person didn't seem to be exactly the way you thought, and that's what you realized, and maybe that's when you decided to walk away from them. It could have been, this would obviously be with some of them only because this is a general reading, but maybe that person already had kids as well. Some of them may have had a pet as well. So yes, it was so, but you realized with time that the way that person was showing himself or herself was not exactly what it was. Hence you decided to most likely move forward, but you still mostly are at times contemplating whether you did the right decision or not, and you seem to be juggling between that thought. It's not that you're not juggling with the person as yet, but though you are considering that did you do the right thing or not. And yes, there is some level of healing that you may have to walk. But remember, if it has happened that something naturally, things may have occurred and you may have chosen to walk away or whatever it was, whatever the strong intention may have been behind you walking away, was because you were somewhere down the line being protected and you were being clearly given signs of that what that person was. Basically, you were clearly being shown by universe, god, whatever you believe in. You were being protected and hence were being shown certain signs. Somewhere intuitively you felt that yes, it seems to be something fishy in that. So hence you may have walked away. Yes, you are contemplating on the decision, but there is something new also coming your way. There is some new or someone new coming your way. This is not the ending, rather it is a new beginning for you. So it is even on the perspective, how do you look at this whole thing. But if you just kind of get out of that space of constant thoughts, somehow manage to do something that may help you to get out of that thought, you'll be able to see that there are new beginnings happening for you at the same time. Maybe there is something new, someone new who is coming into your life, and that time you may realize that possibly what you did was right, that you walked out or walked away from the previous person. Yes. So, yes, you may have to, like, so the person who, there is someone new definitely coming your way, and this person could be, someone who's really, really well behaved, you can say in a way, well raised as well, very successful in his own life, growth oriented. Again, this person may also have a pet most likely. But having said that, that person is definitely someone who has, maybe it could be even that that person could be self-made person. So they know the value of whatever they've earned so far. Someone who really knows their own value also, and knows how to value people as well. There are chances of the new beginning with that person. And yes, it may be initially a little bit of a struggle for you, but there is new beginning over here for you. So yes, someone new is definitely coming your way, and I'm very very sure a new phase is what is coming in your life. Again, this is going to be a little challenging for you also, because most likely in that time the other person, the past person, may also come back, maybe apologizing to you and saying that they would want to come back to you. And that's when again you may have to make your decisions, in that case, whether you want to go with what or whom. And yes, if you want to move ahead and move on to the new person, then you may have to display a little bit of courage and strength and stick to your decision. You may need courage and strength to stick to your decision, not to walk away, which you because you've already done that. But that's when you may start contemplating, and that's when you need to stick to your ground, hold your ground, firmly, and do what is right for you, for that matter. Because again, remember, something there was a reason, right, that you may have walked away from the previous person. So remember that, and make your choices accordingly. It's maybe again, of course, I never tell anyone what they should be doing, but I would definitely say that always remember that there is a reason that you may have walked away from the past, and that is why maybe you burnt the past. So it would be right, if you want to move forward and walk with someone new, make sure you're burning the past completely and moving forward. The person, I feel the new person could be either a Taurus or a Leo, is what I feel. Again, it's not compulsory, it can be any zodiac, but chances of it could be there. I'm talking about the new person, not the previous one. Yeah. Okay. So, yes, definitely justice is being served as well. You are going to get what you really, really deserve, the love and affection and care that you may have given to, some people ahead, and that we have not worked for whatever reason it may be. Again, the new person could even be a Libra, but yes, if at all there was a situation of that kind, that you've been constantly having challenging times in terms of your romantic relationships, this is going to be where justices will be served. You will receive the love and affection that you've given to other people so far, and this you will receive back from someone altogether new. Someone is definitely, this person will shower you with love, will take care of you, will do, like, whatever necessary to work on the relationship, not just on, like, it's just not that that person is just being sweet and kind to you when it's needed. It's going to be that they will walk and they will do, like, it's like if they have to fly from one country to another country, they may even do that for you. That is the kind of love that they will shower towards you. They may be someone who may be liking luxury. They are equally a giver and a taker as well. So yes, they believe most likely in equal give and take. So of course you will have to reciprocate. That is something that they expect, but that's the beauty of it, because it's not that you will be the only one giving, right? You will be receiving as well. So yes, someone who again enjoys all the luxuries, who likes to have a luxurious experience in life in every way. So that is what I see. It could even be that this connection could be a very good spiritual growth for both of you in that case. So that also is what I see it could be. So yes, see, this person may definitely be someone who would be, if at all this person gets into knowing you and all of it, this person is definitely going to come with a very straightforward thought process, that they are looking for a long-term relationship. They are looking for a family with you, grow with you, and have a family with you. The tendency of you also will be initially that you would want to take things not just slow, but you may initially be very hesitant, very blocked in doing certain things. Just even talking to that person, probably initially you will block, but with time you may become open to at least communicating and all of it. Again, if that is the urge, be open to communicate, at least know that person, if that person is worth it or not. Again, somewhere I feel that just always, if there is something that you always wished for, most likely the person could be that kind only. So make sure you're being open to speak to the person and not blocking it completely, because that is entirely in your hand. It's not anyone else's hand. That person may genuinely, like I said, that person may genuinely put effort, and that person believes in reciprocity, so make sure you're doing that. See, romance. So, romantic surprises are on the horizon. Be open to them. Right path. Love is beautiful journey, and you are on the right path. Voids. Avoid rushing to fill voids with love. Seek inner fulfillment first. So, yes, if that is what you're struggling with, work on yourself first, because this is going to be a good romantic person for you, right? Again, romance is what is coming in for you, which I have mentioned from the very beginning. So that is also happening. This could be the right path for you, but yes, don't just rush into it to fill the void, like okay, just because you've moved on from one person and you feel the absence of that person, don't get into it because of that, because that could probably be the reason. Then again, here also you may not have the best experience, because you may then behave in a certain way, right? Whereas if you fulfill yourself first with enough love and self-care, then self love and self care, then it will make a lot of difference in the whole relationship. So since this is coming before this walks in, or while this walks in, make sure you're working on yourself as well and doing the necessary. Again, I said that person will be someone who likes to take care of themselves as well. So a person who is of that kind will obviously want someone who is also some understands this concept, right? So yes, let's see if there is what are the other messages that are coming your way. uh if there is any blockages, what is happening. You need to get out and mingle with new people so you can meet someone great. Untrue stories, you tell yourself bad things, change your stories and see the good that can happen. And everyone leaves. Choose a partner who can commit to you and let yourself commit to them. This is a beautiful thing to actually see. If you see, again, a very concrete message coming here, that get a little social, because that's when you will come across this new person. Untrue stories, you are constantly maybe saying negative things, maybe you're just constantly repeating that just because of your recent experience, that everyone leaves, it's going to be the same. No, it's not going to be the same. The new person could really bring in some beautiful experiences. And hence I said, right, be open, do not block. Again, that is where you need to maybe work on. That's your solution. One is to get social, another thing is don't block, at least know those people. And change your mindset, because again, maybe you're thinking everyone leaves, but no, this could be a person who wants to commit to you. So let yourself commit to them as well. So yes, this is a very short message, clear message, reconfirming messages that are there over here. Beautiful reading and guidance for you guys actually. Let's see what's coming. dream world, living in a fantasy land, illusions, not real love. Figure out what you really want. Closed off, not emotionally available, distracted, hurt in the past. You may be hurt in the past, hence you're closed off. Uh, you know, okay, so here it says brief affair, brace for a sudden ending, short but sweet, can't last. So maybe this is talking about the past thing that is closed. It is a closed chapter for you, and hence you may be a little closed off as well. Maybe that is why you live in a different kind of a world. Get clarity to yourself is what I would say. Bring clarity that what is the kind of things you're looking for in a partner, and then again attract it. That's it. Work on yourself on these things and see everything shifting within your energy field, attracting the right kind of people and good things coming your way into your romantic life. Attraction, having great chemistry or able to manifest love ever after, having the fortitude to create a lasting love stories, communicating and saying what needs to be said. Amazing again, right? It's coming. This is definitely coming. New relationship is coming. A better person is coming into your life. Here it talks about attraction. You will have great chemistry with that person. Again, bring clarity what kind of chemistry you want to have with that person, and you will be able to manifest that kind of a love for yourself. Again, having fortitude to create a lasting love. That person who is going to come now is going to have that kind of an energy, so might as well you match with them, do the needful work on yourself and match with them. And here, love stories, tough love, true talk, communicating and saying what needs to be said. So yes, make sure that you are open to communication, which I mentioned earlier also. At least know that person, tell what you need, understand what they need. If that works, just give that a chance. Something really amazing coming your way, Sagittarius. Learning, protected, and spark. So these are very small writings, very difficult to read everything, but I'll just try and go through everything. You are unique and special. Yeah, so this is going to be more of that you guys will learn together, is what I said, right? Both of you will even spiritually grow together. So you guys will learn each other's love language as well and work through it. Be open to it. Yes, it will be protected. Here also you are protected otherwise also from the universe, but here it even talks about that this person that may come into your life now is going to be more protective also. So you guys will learn together from each other. You guys will be protective about each other, and there's going to be a very different spark, which will you will also feel strongly that this is different. It's going to be very very different from what you've been experiencing so far, and that's how you will realize also that this is different. So figure out that is it really different, or is it just that you're looking at it like that. That's how you will understand that yes, this is not the regular stuff that you've been dealing with. If there is a specific pattern that you may have dealt with, it will be very different. That person will be very different from all of that. Okay. Yes, see, there is an end, but there is a beginning as well. There is something really nice coming your way, so please be open to it. Again, reconfirming it. It is going to, it's like, it's this new thing is going to be like a star shining in the darkness that you have been going through, maybe because of, you ended something. And yes, that person definitely wasn't a great thing. That person was not treating you right. I somehow very strongly again feel that the person was really not treating you right. That person has played with your emotions and your emotional health and mental health as well to a certain degree. Hence you realize that there was something not right. You trusted the universe, you let it go. But yes, at times you get into that doubt. But remember, it was meant to go, because you were supposed to find the right thing. You took back your power from that person, and now you're looking forward to better experiences, you're looking towards future. And that is going to bring a lot of things. But while you wait, do the right things for yourself, so that you can have a better experience. You can do the manifestation practices while you're waiting. While you took away the power from that person and you're working on your, you're waiting for the next person, work on yourself. It's very important that what are you doing with the time that you're waiting for someone, what are you doing in that time is going to be very, very important. So we will check what is one of the empowering messages that comes for you for the month of February 2025. Now this could be in terms of a romantic relation, or it could be entirely just for you, which you can adapt to for the month of February 2025. Especially it could be even around, like, it could come somewhere around in form of self love as well. So let's see, self love, self care also. So let's see what is the empowering message coming for you. Mystery. Embrace the unknown. Give your mind a rest from trying to rationalize everything. Marvel at life's big mysteries and have faith that in time all will be revealed. So I can only say yes, with time you will realize why everything has happened. If this is what you feel that I don't understand what is happening, why is this happening, or whatever it may be, the questions that you may be struggling with right now, just have faith that you rather should embrace the unknown, that is the new that is coming in, and then let things happen and unfold in front of you. And maybe that is when you'll realize that why all your prior relations also didn't work out. That's when it will start, everything will start making sense to you. So till then, enjoy this unknown phase, enjoy your own time taking care of yourself and doing the needful for yourself. So yes, this is it. Thank you so much. If you have any suggestions, drop them in the comments below. If you have any stories to tell, anything to share, or let me know in the comments if you did resonate or not. And thank you so much, and see you in the next reading. Bye bye.